Hello, my name is Nicole, and today we're going to talk about whole grains. Grains provide you with energy for your day, and they're also very healthful for your heart. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends that adults get 6 ounces of grains per day, with at least half of those being whole grains. But do you know the difference between whole grains and refined grains? Whole grains contain all 3 parts of the grain kernel, which provides more nutritional benefits, whereas refined grains have several of these parts removed, which results in less vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Getting fiber in our diet is important because it provides us with a full and satisfied feeling, and it helps to keep our digestive tract healthy. There are key nutrients found in whole grains, including magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, which regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, and help to strengthen your bones. There are many different foods you can find whole grains in, including breads, cereals, pasta, and oatmeal. Let's talk about one of these whole grains today: brown rice. It's really important to know how to properly prepare rice in order to gain all of the nutritional benefits. Now that you've prepared your rice, it's time to cook it. Because brown rice takes longer to cook, I would recommend making a larger batch, freezing it, and using it for future meals. We know that brown rice is more nutritious than white rice, but what if you're hesitant to try switching to brown rice? Here are a couple of tips for you to try. Try mixing 1/4 cup of brown rice along with 3/4 cup of white rice. Gradually increase the amount of brown rice over time. You could also use seasonings or herbs to give your brown rice more flavor. Try including vegetables or protein to give your brown rice additional texture and flavor. And you can also include brown rice in soups or casseroles, which will instantly increase the amount of fiber in your meal. This Mexican brown rice recipe can be made in advance and used in various ways. Next time you're trying to decide what to make for dinner, I recommend giving brown rice a try.